How to sign someone out of your YouTube account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can sign someone out of your YouTube account. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe someone has access to your YouTube account from the device, or maybe someone has changed it, or maybe you've given the password to someone else and now you want to remove those devices. It's very simple to do that. In order to sign a specific person out of your YouTube account, you have to understand what kind of devices they're using. Once you are aware of devices that you're no longer familiar with, you can just open the YouTube application. Once you open the YouTube app, since our YouTube account is basically also our Google account, you have to tap on a Google profile photo on the top right corner, and as you do that, you'll see all the sorts of various options, and over here you want to select the option that says manage your Google account. As you tap on manage your Google account, over here you'll find the option that says security, and as you come to the security tab, over here you'll find the option called your devices, and you just need to go to manage all devices section. As you go to manage all devices, here you'll be able to see a list of all the sorts of various devices on this list, and over here you just want to go ahead and select a specific device that you want to log out of and just tap on the sign out button, and this will log that specific device or the person out of your YouTube account. But keep in mind that if they know your password, then they will be able to log in back again. So the best advice I'd always recommend you do is to try to go ahead and simply change your password. Now you can find the option to change your password right over here as well. You can turn on two-step verification. You can also go ahead and change your password if you want to. And that's all it takes to sign someone out of your YouTube account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.